How often do stars live alone? For brown dwarfs, objects that straddle the boundary between the most massive planets and the smallest stars, astronomers need to uncover more examples of their companions to find out. His intensive investigation led to the discovery of 34 ultracool dwarf binary systems, nearly doubling previously known samples. 1. Brown dwarfs lie somewhere between the most massive planets and the smallest stars. Lacking the mass needed to sustain nuclear reactions in their core, brown dwarfs loosely resemble cooling embers on a huge scale. Their faintness and relatively small sizes make them difficult to identify. Data from sensitive telescopes have enabled the discovery of several thousand objects, but just a small subset have been identified as binaries. The difficulty in observing these faint embers also means that astronomers are still unsure how often brown dwarfs have companions. To help find brown dwarfs, the astronomers of the Backyard Worlds Planet 9 citizen science project have previously turned to a worldwide network of more than 100,000 volunteer citizen scientists who scrutinized telescope images to identify the subtle motion of brown dwarfs against background stars. Despite the abilities of machine learning and supercomputers, the human eye is still a unique resource when it comes to scouring telescope images for moving objects. The Backyard Worlds project has fostered a diverse community of talented volunteers, commented Aaron Meissner, an astronomer at NSF's Noir Lab and co-founder of Backyard Worlds. By searching the data for objects with the color of brown dwarfs, Kiwi was able to find more than 2,500 potential ultracool dwarfs lurking in the archive. These were then scrutinized for hints of comoving companions, yielding a total of 34 systems comprising a white dwarf or low-mass star with an ultracool dwarf companion, 2. Once you master the regular workflow, you can dive much deeper into the subject, commented Kiwi. If you're a person who is curious and not afraid to learn something new, this might be the right thing for you. This amazing result clearly demonstrates that NOIRLab's data archive has a reach far beyond that of professional astronomers, notes Chris Davis, NSF's program director for Noir Lab. It also demonstrates the continued exceptional contribution to astronomy made by scientists using astronomical archives and science platforms such as NOIRLab's Astro Data Archive and Astro Data Lab at the Community Science and Data Center, CSDC. These discoveries were made by an amateur astronomer who conquered astronomical big data, concluded Aaron Meissner. An astronomical unit, O, is a unit used by astronomers that was originally chosen to represent the average distance between the Earth and the Sun, roughly 150 million kilometers or 93 million miles. 2. The closest together pair of dwarfs had a physical separation of only approximately 170 O, and the furthest apart were about 8,500 O from one another. Make a difference. Sponsored Opportunity StorySource. Materials provided by Association of Universities for Research in Astronomy, AURA. Note: content may be edited for style and length. Discovery of 34 low-mass comoving systems using Noir Lab Source Catalog DR2. Accepted for publication in the Astronomical Journal, 2022. Abstract. Cite this page. Association of Universities for Research in Astronomy, AURA. 2022, July 7. Citizen scientist leads discovery of 34 ultracool dwarf binaries. Science Daily. Retrieved July 7, 2022 from ift.tt/rhf92 Yo Association of Universities for Research in Astronomy, AURA. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.